Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the world we live in, and the Arab world is no exception. In this video, we will explore the state of AI research and development in Arab countries, as well as some of the most exciting applications of AI in various industries. Let's start by looking at the current state of AI research and development in Arab countries. Although the Arab world is often seen as lagging behind in terms of technological innovations, many countries are investing heavily in AI in related fields. For example, the UAE has launched an ambitious AI strategy aimed at creating a world-leading AI ecosystem, while Saudi Arabia has set up a national center for AI research and development. But what are some of the specific applications of AI in Arab countries? One area where AI is already making a big impact is healthcare. For example, researchers in Qatar have developed an AI system that can accurately detect breast cancer from mammograms, while doctors in Saudi Arabia are using AI powered chatbots to improve patient communication and reduce waiting times. Another industry that stands to benefit greatly from AI is finance. With the rise of digital banking and fintech startups, many Arab countries are exploring how AI can help improve financial services. For example, the Bahraini Central Bank has launched an AI-powered regulatory sandbox to test new fintech products, while UAE-based startups Beehive is using AI to create a more efficient peer-to-peer lending platform. Finally, let's take a look at some of the challenges and opportunities that AI presents for the Arab world. On the one hand, AI has the potential to greatly improve people's life, from better healthcare to more efficient public services. On the other hand, there are concerns about the impact of AI on jobs and privacy, as well as the risk of AI being used for harmful. That's all we have time for today. We hope you enjoyed this brief overview of AI in Arabs. If you have any thoughts or comments, please share them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on technology and innovation. Thanks for watching.